Hello everyone, I hope you all are happy and safe at your home. So today we will study about parts of plants and their function. Plant consists of two main parts. First is below the ground and second is above the ground. The part which is below the ground is called root and the part which is above the ground is called shoot. Root are categorized into two parts, taproot and the fibrous root. Taproot. Taproot is the main root which is attached to the stem of the plant. For example, carrot, radish, neem, mango, bean, peepal. Fibrous root. Fibrous root is a group of root attached to the stem of the plant. For example, wheat, rice, maize, onion. Now we will study about functions of root. Root fix the plant firmly to the ground. Second, roots help the plant to absorb all the necessary minerals and nutrients and water from the soil. Some root we eat as a food, for example, turnip, carrot, radish. Now, shoot part. Shoot part consists of stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Stem consists of branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Now we will study about functions of stem. Stem supply all the necessary nutrients, minerals and water absorbed by the root to all parts of the plant. Some stem of plant are woody and thick, and these stems are called trunk. For examples, banyan tree, in mango tree, in neem tree, in peepal tree. Some stems are very soft and they cannot stand erect. They grow on the ground. They need some support to grow upright. And these plants are called creepers. Then leaves. Leaves play a very important role in the plant because leaf prepare food for the plant. In leaf, green color pigment is present which is known as chlorophyll, which traps sunlight into the leaves. Many tiny pores are present on the leaves. These are called stomata. Stomata absorb water and release water also. With the help of chlorophyll, sunlight, water and carbon dioxide, plants prepare their food by the process called photosynthesis. Also, leaves releases oxygen to the atmosphere which is necessary for us for our survival. Some leaves we eat as a food, for example, cabbage, spinach, mint, etc.